you're encountering the FIFA 24 Matchmaking Error 2025, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue and get back to playing. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official FIFA or EA Sports website to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close FIFA 24 completely and restart it. This can refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them, as updates often fix bugs and improve connectivity. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 5. Clear cache. For console users, clearing the cache can help. Power off your console, unplug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in and restart. For PC users, you can clear the cache through the game settings or by deleting temporary files. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error and enjoy your game. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.